today the clubs who are in trouble, who look for experienced managers. The position in the Premier League has become vital for everybody. To stay in the league has become an extremely big problem for everybody. And when teams look for managers, he was one of out there who had the experience and the quality. After that, all the rest is moral judgment. I don't know how guilty he was of having done something wrong or not. I don't know. But he was in a strong position as a national team manager. That means people acknowledged that he had the quality to be there.